Is CloudFactory the Freelancer platform for you? Let's review this platform designed for data-heavy tasks. Links are in the description. CloudFactory provides managed teams for data services like entry, annotation, and transcription. Unlike other platforms, it builds remote teams as extensions of your business, perfect for consistent, scalable support. A key feature is its hybrid approach at skilled humans plus AI-powered tools for accuracy and efficiency, ideal for large datasets used in AI training, customer insights, or operations. Teams receive rigorous client-specific training for better execution and fewer errors. This makes it perfect for data-critical industries like e-commerce, healthcare, and tech. Need labeled data for a machine learning model? CloudFactory's teams deliver speed and precision. Plus, enjoy flexible scaling based on project demands. CloudFactory also champions impact sourcing, hiring from developing countries and offering fair wages, training, and growth. Onboarding is simple with dedicated project managers and advanced reporting tools for clear progress tracking. Need reliable, scalable data solutions? CloudFactory delivers consistent, high-quality results with skilled workers, AI, and a socially responsible model. See if it's right for you. Check the description links.